Hello and welcome everyone to my channel. Thanks for watching my videos on YouTube. Today in this video I'm going to talk about Portal Simulator. This is a very useful function when you want to test um, some parts of your code before the implementation phase, so you can actually test your code and your program. So it's a very useful actually function in Portal and in all STep7s actually. So to test that simulator, so at first let's write a uh, small piece of code here. So for example, we have a motor and we have two push buttons, start and stop, and we just want to turn the motor on and off. So it's a very basic and small project. We just want to show you the simulator, and we want to test this piece of code with simulator. So to start, we insert a network here and we add a flip-flop here. So we want to have two push buttons here, one for start and one for stop. So this is I00, this is I01, perfect, and this is Q00. Let's rename these tags. This is a start. This one here is a stop. Perfect. And this one is the motor itself. Okay, just name it motor. Perfect. Okay, so the code is done. Now we want to test this small piece of code. So what you need to do at this step is to click on this icon here. So start simulation. So just click on it. This is your CPU actually, as you may see here. But before starting a simulator, you need to do a very short settings here. So as you may see, your PGPC interface is PLCSIM, which is PLC simulator. The connection to interface, it could be slot 1 or 2 because it's totally depends on the type of CPU choosing a project. For this specific CPU I have chosen for this example, this one has two Profinet ports, so doesn't matter. You can just try all interfaces and then click on the start search. Okay, as you can see here, this identifies these two ports and their IP addresses, so doesn't matter. Just click on either of them. I choose the first one. Okay, and click on load. Again, click on load. Okay, sometimes happen. Just let's do it again. Okay. Sometimes you need to close it and then open it. Okay. Okay, then choose the first one, click on load. Load again. I hope this time it works. Yes. So here, just choose the start module. If you choose this, it automatically run the CPU. So it's what we need here. So as you may see here, there are three lights here. The first one indicates the status of the CPU. So here you see the green light and the CPU is in run mode. You can stop the CPU or you can reset the memory of the CPU. So what we need here is to click on this little icon here. This is the environment that we want to test the project. Okay, so yeah, exactly. It's the PLC simulator version 15. So at the beginning, we need to define or create a new project. Doesn't matter. You can choose a name for this project, or you can leave it leave it as it is. Perfect. It's creating the project. For the first time when you run the simulator, it takes a little bit longer. Okay, the project is created. It's loading. Okay, I think it's done. It's connected to the assigned IP address. So yeah. So from the left side of this window here, click on this little arrow and click on the SIM tables and choose one of them, or you can create a new SIM table. So in this window here, you need to define your tags here. Okay, you can just write the address and it will automatically assign the tags. So I01 and Q00. That's it. So it's all your tags in the project. We just insert the address and it looked at the tag table in the project, and for example for I00 it found that okay, the name of this tag is a start and just put it here. Very easy. You can save the project or at each step. It's done. So what you need to do here is to click on this monitoring icon because we need to test this piece of code here. Okay. So as you see here, we have two push buttons here, start and stop, and the Q00 is the motor. So just let's click on the start button. So as you see, the motor start working, and it's working now. And then you click on the stop tag, stop. Let's test it again. It's exactly functional. So it's a very good function. You can test your examples or your projects with TL simulator. It's a very useful thing. So thank you so much. Thanks for watching this video. If you like it, just give me a thumbs up. And if you have any question related to this video, or if you want to see videos related to I don't know, other areas, just comment under this video and motivate me to make more helpful videos about your portal and automation. Thank you so much. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.